Here's how to use the limited color palette to create flesh tones. These are the 89 colors that you can get from Golden. Of those, these are the 5 that I use. So when a student turns to me and says, how do you make flesh tone? My first question is, which flesh tone? Let's look at a couple of examples. Out of these 2 photo examples are 5 different flesh tones that we can look at. As you can see, they have a broad range of colors in them. Let's look at the first one. Obviously it's pure white. Second one, you do the cadmium red, light and dark together and add blue. This one was the cadmium yellow and cadmium red together. You can see how the red is required to make the yellow slightly redder. Do the same 2 colors and add a touch of white. See how it's slightly pasteled and lifted higher in the value scale. The last one is all 4 colors together in varying amounts. Some parts have more yellow, some parts have more blue. So those are fairly straightforward. Let's look at an image that has a lot higher contrast in color. These 5 areas are flesh tone. Let's look at them. They range from white to black. So obviously we have white with a touch of cadmium yellow in the corner. This one is both of the reds together. As you can see, it's slightly lighter than the dark red and darker than the light red. This one, you take the same 2 elements and you add a touch of white just to lighten the one side. Here we need to create a green with the blue and the yellow, and then we need to kill it back with the reds. In this instance, it's the cadmium red dark. And to create a black, you do blue and dark red. So that's a quick look at the 5 colors I use to create flesh tones and other parts of my paintings. And this is what the painting looks like.